Shout out kay Aris RN at sasagutin natin yung kanyang comment. Sabi niya, sana in-explain mo pa further or simplify pa. Di yung binabasa mo na lang, di ba? Maghahatid ka na lang ng info, di mo pa nilulubos-lubos. Okay, sige. Aris RN, lulubos-lubusin na natin. Okay, he is referring doon sa content ko about Article 739 ng Civil Code wherein sinabi or in-enumerate yung tatlong hindi pa pwedeng maging beneficiary ng life insurance. Okay, isa-isahin natin. Ito yung sinasabi ng Article 739 about donee or beneficiary ng life insurance, kung sino yung hindi po pwede. Okay, pinagbabawal to ng batas because it is against public policy dahil meron itong moral hazard. So, babasahin muna natin yung Article 739. Ang sabi dito, the following donations shall be void. Number 1, those made between persons who were guilty of adultery or concubinage. Ibig sabihin nun, kung meron kang live-in partner, common law partner ngayon, no, at meron kang previous marriage or married ka, kasal ka, and siguro nagkahiwalay kayo, something went wrong dun sa inyong relationship, nagkahiwalay kayo, then nakahanap kayo ng partner, nag-live-in kayo, yung partner mo na yon ay bawal maging beneficiary ng life insurance. Bawal siyang maging donee. Bawal kang mag-donate sa kanya. Okay? This is because it is against public policy. Pangalawa naman, sabi dito, number 2 sa 739 ng Civil Code, those made between persons found guilty of the same criminal offense in consideration thereof. Ibig sabihin nun, bawal maging donee or beneficiary ng life insurance ang isang tao na bahagi ng isang krimen. Kasi iniiwasan ng batas na maging reward, no? Kung ito ay naging reward or naging price sa isang para magawa ang isang krimen, para makumit ang isang krimen, void po yung donation na yon. Hindi siya pwedeng maging beneficiary. Pangatlo naman, those made to a public person or public officer or his wife, descendants, and ascendants by the reason of his office. Ibig sabihin nun, yung public officer, bawal maging donee or bawal maging beneficiary ng life insurance dahil iniiwasan ng batas na gawin itong bribe. Or yun yung ibig sabihin kapag sinasabi nating bawal ang isang public officer na maging beneficiary ng life insurance. Okay, sana naging malinaw kay Aris RN, and remember, who your insurance advisor is the most important.